Okay, hello, good morning. So from this video, I want to explain from our last exercise and comparison. So I'll start from number one, Audrey and Lucky. Audrey has 1.5 meter long and Lucky has 4,500 centimeters. In here, if you want to compare, so we need the same unit. So from 4,500 centimeter, we have to change it into meter. How to do that? Just divide it by 100, so it is 45 meter. And then the ratio is 1.5 and 45. Or we can simplify it into 1 per 30. Okay, next number 3, number 2. So Mr. Yahya and Mr. Anton buy a pack of fish food with the same brand but with different weight. The packet Mr. Yahya bought was 1,200 gram and Mr. Anton is 1.5 kg. So it is the same thing. We have to change gram to kg, or you can change kg to gram. So make it in one unit. So here I change from gram to kg. How to do that? Divided by 1000. So from gram to kg divided by 1000. So 1.2 per 1.5. To make it easy, I multiplied by 10, so 12 for 15. Then I can simplify it by divided by 3, so 4.5. Next question. A car consumes 8 liters of gasoline to travel 56 kilometers. And then the distance changed into 84. So the gasoline that needed, I can write it like this. So 8 liter for 56 kilometer. And then how many liter for 84 kilometer? So I think we need more than 8 liter then. So just compare the kilometer here and put the bigger number on the top because we need more number, right? So 84 per 66 times 8, so it is equal to 12 liter. Okay, hopefully you're clear with this one. Next, I will move to number 5, number 4. So food supply for 15 code run out for 24 days. And then if 3 code are sold, so it means the code on the cage is remain 15 minus 3 is only 12 code. So how to compare, like 15 code is 24 days and for 12 code it is should be more than 24 days, right? Because the food supply, the we have less code to eat them. So here I need more days. So I put the bigger number from code I put on top. So 15 per 12 times 24, it is equal to 30 days. Okay, next we move to next number 6. It is about velocity. So when we have 60 kilometer per hour, it take 3.5 hour. So how about if we change it into 90 kilometer per hour? So how many hour needed? Because this is about velocity, I think if we go faster, so it will take time less than the schedule. So how to find a number that less than the recent one? Just put the smaller number, right? So 60 per 90 times the hour. You can write it as 3.5 hour. You can write, or here I just write it to 210 because I change it 2 minutes. So 3 hour is 180 plus 30 is 210. So it is take 140 minutes, but on the option they are display on hour and minute, so I change it into 2 hour and 20 minutes. Next, number 7. So it is about supply again. So 45 liter enough for 5 people, 10 days. So how we can make it easy, because here we compare 3 things. So simplify it to make it into simple parts. So I can divide it by 10 to find the portion for each day. So if I divide it by 10, so it is, we have 4.5 liter for 5 people in 1 days. How if we want to know the portion for 1 people, we will divide it by 5 again. So here we have 0.9 liter for 1 people in 1 days. Then we will compare from the equation. If we have 72 liters, so how many people in 1 days? So we can compare here. If 72 liter, it means we need more than 1 people, right? So 72 per 0.9 times 1. So if you confuse how to calculate with comma, when you move it right, so on top you also need to add 0. So 720 per 9, it is 80 people. So the answer is C. Then on this one, I think we forget to review it first. It's about supply again. So 20 people enough for 15 days. How if the resident in increase is 5, so become 25? So how many days need? So I think if they have more people, the supply will less with the schedule. So 20 per 25 times 15, so it's equal to 12 days. Hah? Enggak ah, udah kenyang ayah ya. Sana ya. Saya nggak beli ya. Dah. Next, number 8. It's about job and time. So 50 people, they can finish it in 8 months. So how about how many people if they have to be done on 5 months? I think if the schedule is less than before, then we need more than the people, right? So 8 per 5 times 50 is equal to 80 people. Next question here. Again about job and time. So 24 people will finish in 20 days. If they want to make it 15 days, so how many people? I think we need more people. So 20 per 15 times 24, it is equal to 32 people. Okay. So that's the different step from identical and reverse value. Now here's longer story. So normally they are finished in 30 days with 15 worker, and then after 6 day normal, so they need 24 days remaining, but suddenly 4 days stopped. So they have 20 days remaining, but from 24 days schedule, kenapa?
Mas Marco mana?
Ngumpet. Malu sama adik Jia. Sana jualan mainan lagi sana lo. Apa? Siapa yang mau Siapa? Ya Allah. Mbok tulung toh. Oh, ya rano gawean lo. Sini coba celananya dulu.
Nanti jajal. Nanti bisa ngawi lo.
Ah iya nanti nyawi ya.
Yang kata tuh sama senjatan.
Dan jot-jotan enggak toh kamu?
Enggak, cuma lompat.
Jot-jotan itu sama dengan lompat. Sana.
Gitu.
So from 24 days schedule with 15 worker, if they have to finish it on 20 days remaining, so how many worker needed? So I think they need more worker. So 24 per 20 times 15, so it is 18 worker. So do not compare the 30 days or maybe 6 days or 4 days. Don't be confused. Analyze the story first. And then also pay attention with the question. They need all the worker quantity or only the addition. If they need all the worker, it is 18 worker. If they need only the addition, so 18 minus 15, the reason when, so 3 worker only. Next, it's about compare the age. So 6 years ago, Owen and his mother were 60 years old, and the ratio is 5/7. So 6 years ago, I can write it like this. Owen is 5 divided total, so 5 plus 7, Owen and his mother, times 60. So 5 per 12 times 60, that is 25 years. So that is for 6 months, 6 years ago. For now, Owen turned 25 plus 6 then. So 31 years old. Okay. Yeah. Kenapa? Hmm? Now we want to compare money from Feral, Safa, and myself with ratio 4:3:2. So you can use X because that is the ratio, not the real one. Or you can use not X is fine. So for me, I prefer to use like this. So like Feral and Safa's money is 42. So Feral plus Safa is 42,000. So 7 is 42,000. Or you can go like this. So Feral and Safa, so 4 plus 3, so 7 is 42,000. And then they're asking about the amount money of three of them. So three of them is 4 plus 3 plus 2, it is 9. So how about 9? I think that is more than 42,000. So 9 per 7 times 42, it is 54,000 rupiah. Next year, we still compare the money. Lucky and Clarista, 3 and 5. So their total money is 400,000. So I can write it as, because 3 and 5, so here 8. So 8 is 400,000. And then the equation is difference between the two from Lucky and Clarista. So the difference from 3 to 5 is 2. So how about 2? I think it is less than 400,000, right? So 2 per 8 times 400,000. It is 100,000 rupiah. Okay. Next, number 14. It is about length and width on a rectangle. So the requirement here, you have to know that circumference from rectangle is length plus width times 2. So you can write it 8 plus 5x times 2 is 78. 8 plus 5 is 13. Times 2 is 48. So we can find egg is 48, 78 per 26 equal with 3. So the real length is 8 times 3, so 24. And then the length, the width is 5x, so 5 times 3 is 15. And then the area is 24 times 15, so 360. Number 15 is similar with number 14, only different number. So let's do this exercise. The ratio is 7 and 5. The circumference is 96. So 7 and 5 is 12. So 12 times 2. So 24x, x is 96 per 24. So it is 4. So how do we can get 24 from 12 times 2? How we can find 12 from 7 times 5? Because the ratio is 7 plus 5. Okay. After we find the value from x, we can use it to find length and weight like on the previous number. So length is 7x, so 7 times 4, so 28. The weight is 5x, so we change 8 to 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So the area is 28 times 20 is 560. Next, again, we still compare the money. Now from Rotama and Abel. And then the other one is Sultan. But they have a two-step comparison. Rotama and Abel 2 and 3. Abel and Sultan 4 and 5. So we have to merge it into one kind of comparison. How to do that? I can just write it like a line here, and then all the number conduct with the line, we have to multiply it like 2 and times 4 it is equal to 8. 3 times 4 it equal to 12, and 3 times 5 equal to 15. So this is the ratio from Rotama, Apple, and Sultan if we do it together. Next step, if the three of them 700,000, so 35 is 700,000 because 8 plus 12 per 15. And then how about Rotama and Sultan? Rotama is 8, Sultan is 15, so 23. Like 35 is 700,000, how about 23? I think that is less than 700,000. So I put 23 on top and 35 on the bottom. It is equal to 460,000. Next, still with the same type of question. Rotama, Abel, and Toby 1, 3, and 5. The difference between Rotama and Abel is 160,000. Rotama and Abel. So 1 and 3. The difference is 2, I think. Yes. So 2 equal with 160,000. And then they're asking about the total. And the total is 3 plus 1 plus 5. So 9. If 2, we have 160,000. How about 9? I think here more than 160. So 9 per 2 times 160,000. So it is 720,000. Okay, next. Here we have ratio again. A, B, and C is 2, 3, and 5. And then there is a difference between A and C. From 2 to 5 is 3. So because the difference is 24, I can write it as 3 equal to 24. And then if they're asking about the total body, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. How much is for 10? Rusak mungkin, coba pakai kunci. So the total body weight is 10 per 3 times 24. It is 80 kg. Next, number 19. It's comparison from Cita and Claresta. Sorry for the quality from my picture. So 3 and 4 is 12. The recent one is 3 and 4, and then after Claresta get 12,000 money, it become 1 to 3. So I can write it as 3 per 4 times 12,000. It's equal with 1 by 2. Okay, next I need to multiply it across. Ya, kenapa? Oh ya, mau mewarnai. Warnanya apa?
Ya. Mejanya. Mejanya diberesin ya. Diberesin aja.
Coba minta tolong ibu mau nggak beresin mejanya belajar mewarna ini ya. So we want to multiply it across, like 3x times 2x is equal to 6x squared. And then from 4x plus 12,000 times 1, it is equal to 4x squared plus 12,008. Gak usah marah-marah, di bawah aja. Ya, lah. So we have 6x squared and 4x squared. We can put it together here. So 6x squared minus 4x squared equal to 12,008. We can simplify the 8. So equal to 2x equal to 12,000. So 8 is 12,000 per 2 or 6,000. After that, we can substitute x to each portion from theta, like 3x, 3 times the 6,000 is 18,000, and 4x, 4 times 6,000 become 24,000. So total is 42,000 and 12,000 from here, her dad, so 54,000 rupees. Next, from number 20, it's quite challenging, I think, from you guys. So Sultan and Topi will paint together their parent house. So Sultan can complete it on 24 days, while Topi, he can do faster, he can finish it in 8 days. How if they want to work together? How we can find the estimation time? So I have two methods here. The first one is 1 per time equal to 1 per time for Sultan plus 1 per time for Toby. like 1 per t equal to 1 per 24 plus 1 per 8. So we make it the same denominator. 24 8 is 24, so 1 over 24, 3 over 24. Total 4 over 24, then we just need to turn it up. Like t is equal to 24 divided by 4 or 6. This is the normal step. If you want to make it faster, you can write it with just time. Like 8 is the time from both of them. So 8 is s plus t per s plus t. S is time for tan, t versus time for tau p. And the final answer is the same. So it's up to you which one is comfortable with you. Use it. Next, from number 20 to number 21, I think it's about a map. It's about scale. So here the distance on the map is 20 centimeter, and then the scale is 1 over 600,000. So the actual distance is like 1 is 600,000. How about 20? It is 20 per 1 times 600,000, or 12 uh, million centimeter, or 120 kilometer. Because if you want to convert from centimeter to kilometer, it's divided by 100,000, or you can eliminate 5 zero here. Next, again, it's about scale. So scale 1 over 200. If on the map, on the picture is 30, so 30 times 200 is 6,000. So 60 meter, and 12 times 200 is 2,400 centimeter, or 24 meter here. And then the area is 60 times 24. So 1,440 meters square. Next, it's about scale again. The scale is 1 and 300. So 25 and 16 from map, we just need to multiply with the scale to find the real measurement. So like here, 25 times 300 is 7,500, or 75 meter. So 4,800 become 48 meter. So here we just need to multiply it equal to 3,600 meters square. Next, we have a scale again. The scale is 1 over 250, and then we can find the length is 3 times 250 is 750, and then width is 2 times 250 equal to 500. From centimeter, we just need to divide it by 100. So 7.5 and 5 meter here. So 37.5 meters square. So then number 25, 24, it is the same question with the previous one. Okay, so I think that's all from me for the explanation from this week. If you need more explanation related to the exercise, please let me know on next math class, so we can explain it to you more detailedly. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.